back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new handbag from Coach, and I'm so excited to share with you the beautiful handbag that I got. I can't believe I saw this online. I am in love with it. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you like anything that's pink and girly, then girl, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. So the bag that I got is from Coach, and it's from the newer line that is called Coachtopia, which is part of Coach, and it just basically means that they are using reusable scraps and materials from other handbags. So it's almost kind of like they're using everything and nothing is going to waste. And these are like basically like almost like a very limited amount of handbags. So I am going to try to link this handbag down below. Hopefully it's still available. I know it became sold out. They made a few more, they released them, so hopefully they make this again because this bag is gorgeous. So yes, let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, shipping on this bag was lightning fast. I ordered this, I think, on like Wednesday, and I literally got it by Friday. So that was like so quick. I did not expect it, and I'm so excited that I got it because I can start using it and rocking it. And I did already kind of peek in there because I wanted to make sure that everything was in there, just because the box is huge and it is so light. It's almost like there's nothing in there. So here it is, and this is the logo. It says Coachtopia. Like even the logo and everything inside, it's so beautiful. It has like little clouds and it's just so pretty. Like I love Coach. I think Coach bags are one of my ultimate favorite handbags. They are exceptional quality, great craftsmanship. You're never gonna find any defects on any of their bags or items that they sell. So I am literally like a Coach girl always. And it does come with like the little receipt and some tissue paper with little like clouds. Like this is adorable. And by the way, when I ordered the bag, they had this like promo that you spend a certain amount of money and you get a free set of bows, because they do have this line that is all about bows, which I am obsessed. It's almost kind of like they heard us. They heard that we like bows and we like pink and things that are girly, and they listen to us. So I did get my set of bows, and I'll show this to you after we do the unboxing. And let me show you also the inside of the box. Like how cute. This is like so adorable. I am obsessed with their packaging. Here is the dust bag. It says Coachtopia, and in the back there's also another little message. It says, "Welcome to Coachtopia, a world in progress. Join us on the road to circularity." Which is so cute, and I just love that everything is being reused with a purpose, and the purpose is to be with me. So here it is. Oh my goodness, I am so in love with this bag. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. This is so girly, so me, so coquette. It's everything a girl would ever want in a handbag. You have the pink, you have the beautiful purse, the bows. Like, it's beautiful. I love it. It's so gorgeous. They also have this in other colors. I believe they have it in black with like white bows. So this is like so cute. The bows are attached, so they are not detachable, which is totally fine. They're all stitched in very securely so that you don't lose your bows. And this one here has like a little cute tag that says Coachtopia, and then they also include their original Coach logo that just says Coach, and then on the back it says Coachtopia. But this handbag is to die for. It is so beautiful. Let me show you the inside. I love the smell of Coach bags. Every time I get a Coach bag, like the smell is just, it smells so good. I don't know, I love that smell, like the smell of new handbags. So it looks like this. It's very, very spacious, and I like that it's deep because I'm not going to like be worried about losing my things. It also comes with like a little separate little compartment in here, so you can put like your cards or your cell phone. And it also comes with the little logo here in leather. And the way you close this is just with this like little magnetic clasp like that. It is open on the sides, but like I said, it's pretty deep, so you don't have to worry about like losing anything. What a beauty. And I actually messaged when I saw this purse. I was like, I need to ask my bestie, like, what does she think? And I was like on my phone texting her, and she was like, girl, you need to get that bag. It's so you. And I'm so glad I did. I was debating between this one and the black one in crinkle leather that looks so beautiful and so elegant. I really want to get that one too, but I decided to get this one because it's just so beautiful. Like, it's so me, and it is so gorgeous. Also, these are the set of bows that I got free with a purchase. There wasn't many options available anymore. There was like a light blue, a black, a pink, which I really wanted, but those were all sold out. So the only options I had was either black or these white ones. So I did get the white ones, and these have these like little snap closures there. So if you do get like another Coachtopia bag, you can use those for your handbag. So let me go ahead and give you a little close-up of my new beautiful little bow handbag so you can see it and look at the beauty. It's so pretty. I am obsessed. So this adorable bag is called the Ergo handbag, and it does come in 3 sizes: extra small, the small, which is this one, and then a medium size one. The extra small is literally too small. I don't think you can fit a phone in there, and those do not come embellished with bows. The only ones that come with bows is this size, and I think this is the perfect size. Like, I cannot say enough about this beautiful bag. The way I would use this out is I would either place it in the crook of my arm, or I would just hold it like a regular bag, because this here is not deep enough for to carry as a shoulder bag. Like, you can definitely do that, I'm not saying you can't, but it's just not like comfortable, and it literally like hits me like right where like my armpit is, so it's super uncomfortable. I would not wear it like that, but I would definitely wear this like I showed you, either in the crook of my arm or just by holding it, which looks so beautiful, and I am obsessed. I actually look like I match with this today. It almost looks like I planned it, but I didn't. I'm just wearing literally like the same colors, the beige and the pink. And that's what I love about the bag as well, that it's not white. It's like this beautiful shade of beige that goes perfect with anything. I'm like obsessed with this beautiful bag. I love it. I'm so happy with it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some stuff, pack it on, just so you can see and get an idea of what fits inside this adorable bag. Okay, so we're going to put some essentials in there, things that I would normally carry every day. Let me show you the inside first. It's very, very spacious, and the inside is so soft. It's like extremely soft, very beautiful. So let's go ahead and start with a wallet. I do have my mini pochette, and I use this as a mini wallet sometimes, or as a little crossbody, but mostly as a wallet. So let's put her in there. Perfect. It fits perfectly in there. Next, I'm going to take my cell phone, and I'm going to put it in here as well. It fits perfect. Okay, I'm already excited because if I can fit my phone and if I can fit my wallet, I am more than happy. Next, I'm going to put in my favorite body spray. This one is the Sol de Janeiro. In love with this, obsessed. It smells so good. As you can see, I use it quite a bit. Fits right in there. I'm also going to pack my lip gloss. This one here is the Gizo honey infused oil. I love this little thing so much. I'm also going to pack my AirPods. And the last thing I'm going to pack are my sunglasses. This is what everything looks like inside. You can definitely still pack way more things in there. And yes, it closes. Perfect. I can fit everything. So that was it for today's unboxing on this beautiful handbag. I'm so glad I got her. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this new line, Coachtopia. What do you think about this purse? Is this something you would get? Would you get something different from their website? I love to hear your thoughts and your comments. I always love and enjoy seeing all your comments and responding to them. I hope you all have an incredible, incredible week. I love you all so much. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.
What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.